In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NAPS2 OCR. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open NAPS2 or NAPS2, whatever you want to call it. And then from here up top, you can see the OCR button. So you want to click on OCR and it's going to pop up a window called OCR Download. So using OCR requires you to download each language you want to scan. So in my case, I'm only going to work with English, but of course you can go and scroll here and see all the different languages supported. So there's a lot of them. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find your own in here, and for all of those you want to download, click on the check marks and it's going to give you the total download size, the estimated one, and then when you're done with all the languages, just click on download. As I said, I'm actually going to go with English only right now, and I'm going to hit the download button. There we go, it's been downloaded, and as you can see here, there we go, it says of course OCR setup. It says make PDF searchable using OCR. I'm actually going to do this because what I want to do is, of course, if you scan like a document or something and you want to make it searchable, you want to first OCR it. So of course, it's going to know what words are where, so we can then search for them and do stuff like that. Here, I'm going to select OCR language, English, and then OCR mode. I'm going to do fast or best. I'm actually going to do best because I want it to be higher quality. And you can also go and fix white balance and remove noise if you wanna. And then here it says, of course, you can run OCR after scanning pretty much every time. Okay, so preemptively. I'm actually going to do this, and I'm going to click on OK. Now, once you've done this, you can then hit this OCR button over here, and once you have a document in here, it's going to allow you to actually OCR it just like that, okay? So if you were to scan something and then hit the OCR button, that's exactly what's going to happen. So let me show you an example here. Okay, so as you can see, I've scanned a random piece of paper here, and I'm going to zoom in so we can actually see better. There we go, it's just some text I put on a little piece of paper, just so I can show you can actually OCR handwriting as well. And then here, what you want to do is go to the OCR button up top, and then here you simply have to select all these settings I just showed you earlier, and you want to click on OK. Now this is going to actually OCR it over here for you, and if I were to save this as a PDF, you'll see that the OCR is actually going to work, and it's going to essentially give you copyable text, okay, which is also searchable. So I'm going to save the PDF here. I'm actually going to just save it into my downloads folder, and I'm going to name this one sample scan. There we go, and click on save. There we go, it's now saving it. There we go, it's over here. If I now click on it, it's going to open, and let me show you over here in a separate tab. As you can see, if I now go and hover over it, it's actually going to allow me to select my text. Now over here it says subscribe, for example. I can now copy this, paste it. Sometimes it may be a bit glitchy and it may not work the best. Of course, make sure your scans are good and high quality, but that's essentially how to OCR. If I were to search for something over here, it would also work. Okay, so if you are using like something, you're trying to search for something inside a document, inside like a viewer like Adobe or something similar, you'll be able to search it because the OCR is working. Okay, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.